How to add Snapchat photos to gallery. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to save your Snapchat photos to your phone's gallery or camera roll, here's what you can do. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account, and also make sure that the Snapchat application is up to date. Now in order to enable auto save to camera roll, now tap on the profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right to go to settings. From this page, you need to simply go ahead and scroll down and tap on the memories section that is under privacy control. Once you do that, you will see the option of storage and save destinations. Tap on save button that is under save destinations section. Then you'll get three different options of memories in camera roll and camera roll only. So if you want to save your snaps only to your camera roll and you do not want to back up in your memories, you can go ahead and select camera roll only. Or if you also want the snap to back up your memories and also save the certain snap in your camera roll, go ahead and tap on memories and camera roll and you'll be done. Now when you tap the save button while editing a snap, snaps will save to your memories and camera roll if you've selected one. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and add Snapchat photos to gallery. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.